everyone, welcome back to our channel. Mike here from TeamHira Adventures. Happy Holi, happy Pagua to each every one of you. So today we're gonna make some sweet for Pagua, some Goja, like back home style Guyana Goja. I know Guyana is bright today. I saw it on YouTube. There's a lot of fun going on in Guyana with the Pagua over there. New York, we have it on the 7th of April. It'll be the big parade here in Liberty at Smoky Park. So we can wait for that. So I have the flour here, 3 cups of flour. I have a tablespoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is for the dough. And I have 1 tablespoon of shortening, vegetable shortening. That makes the dough crispy and nice. It really tastes good. So we're going to finish the dough, put this aside to rest for half an hour to an hour, then we're going to get to the filling. So in the flour, I usually like to put a little cinnamon in the flour. So I have some cinnamon, I'll average this. You can put maybe like half teaspoon. So we're going to add the baking powder, you're going to add the sugar, you're going to mix this up. And this is all-purpose flour. You could make it any other flour you want, your choice. So we're going to add our shortening inside, tablespoon of shortening, because that makes the dough really crispy and nice. And so we're going to mix this up, let it become like a crumbly mixture. We'll break up the shortening inside. I like to use butter, but butter makes the dough kind of stiffish. It don't be like crunchy and nice, with the shortening make it crunchy and nice. So we just mix this up until you get nice and all the shortening mix up, get crumbly and nice. And then we go add 1 glass of cold milk. And this is optional. I usually add a little turmeric inside, just a little. I average it, like about half teaspoon or so. Alright, so this is good. See? It's nice. 1 cup of cold milk. Alright, so we add our milk. Let's see, let's have a milk there, so we're going to mix this up now. And then we get too saggy, and you can just add a little dry flour. I just add a little back little dry flour here. We'll need it for about 10 minutes or so. And then we can put it aside for rest. Alright, so what we do? So the dough is ready. We'll form a ball. So here is our dough. So just rub oil at the top and leave it. Little olive oil. So you cover this. Leave that to rest. So we are working on the filling. I have 2 dry coconut. I use fresh dry coconut. Crack the coconut. I have my grater here, so I'll grate this coconut out and then we can get back to the filling. Alright guys, so I just finished the first half. First half finished, I got 3 more half to go. Alright guys, so this is the filling I'm making. I have the coconut here. I grated 2 coconut. That's the 2 coconut. I have a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I have a 3/4 cup of brown sugar. So we can put the coconut now in the oven in a kahari and start to toast it, get rid of the moisture, and then we add in the rest of the stuff into the coconut. Then I have my red coloring. I can add this in. You don't want the heat too high because it's a little below medium. I also have some fresh ginger. I'm grating like 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger inside. I'm a little grater here. I'll grate 2 tablespoons of ginger. So we add our coconut in. So we're grating our ginger. Average like 2 tablespoons of ginger. This is fresh coconut. If you use the one you bought from the store, then I'm gonna cook it a little more to get the moisture out of it. We add our cinnamon, our nutmeg, our sugar, add our vanilla. And you can taste it if you want more sweeter. You can add a little more sugar. Sugar inside if you want a little more sweet. But the coconut is sweet already. And this is good here. We add our red coloring, couple drop of red coloring. So the one you want to get your color real red. If you're baking a cake, velvet cake, red velvet cake, just put it in the microwave a little for a couple of minutes and you get it real red and nice. Now this is perfect here. You don't want it dry, make it too dry. But if it's not get dry in here, you can add a little milk inside. Alright guys, so that's the filling. I finished the filling here. You can work on the dough now, start to roll it out and then fill it and then fry it. Alright guys, so this is the dough. I just take it out and I mash it and I start to make a little small ball. So I roll all of them like this. And then we will roll it out and start to fill it. Alright, so I just roll out one of it. So we fill it now. I have the rest of them over here. I use a tablespoon to fill it. Take a little water, pour around the edge. Take a fork. That's our first one. I have the oil over here heating up. So you take a little dry flour, just put it over here. And if you have extra filling, you can always put it in a plastic bag. Put it in the fridge. You can use it back later on. Get the water, put it around the edge. And it smells real good. It's filling with the ginger, cinnamon. Smell real good. Alright, so this is the second one. Alright, so I'll roll the rest out here in the meantime. The oil is heating up. You can start to fry it and we'll show you what it looks like. Now you know I always use this oil. This oil is very good. You don't suck up a lot of oil. It's dry when you finish. You don't have to worry about cholesterol, nothing like that. It's very good oil to fry with. I like it nice and brown, crispy. So this is good. Okay, so I'll fry the rest of them out. Once I finish, I'll cut one of it and show you what it looks like inside. Okay, so this is the Goja here. We finish. I finished frying all of it. I'll cut one open and show you what it looks like inside. And see how the outside is crunchy, right? Because of the shortening I use. Shortening, this is what I use here. So it makes the crust real crunchy and nice. And I'm going to use the knife, cut this now. See how it's soft? Oh, look at that. That's our Goja. See, I just cut the inside, how nice it looks. Beautiful. So this Goja we make for Pagwa today. We didn't make any parsad. We make Goja today for Pagwa. Alright guys, so I'll give a taste test here now. Soft, crunchy, not too sweet, it's really good. Once you start this, you don't want to stop. Alright guys, thank you again for watching and happy Holi, happy Pagwa to everyone. Be safe, celebrate the Pagwa safe, and then we go prepare for 7th of April for the parade on Liberty Avenue. So thank you again for watching. You can try the recipe and everybody make it different. This is how I make my Goja. But it's really good. You try with the shortening, it's really come out crunchy, the crust. Alright guys, enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please leave us a like, comment, share, or subscribe. Bye, see you back soon in the next adventure.